Hello all, welcome to our channel Where to Know. So in the one of the video in our channel, we have talked about a diode based ORing circuit where two power supplies are given to a single load, and based on the supply voltage, the diode is turned on or turned off and the load is supplied. Now in that particular case, what we have talked is that there is, if the load current is too high, that means there is lot of drop across the diode, which will basically create unnecessary power dissipation. And for this particular scenario, we said MOSFET based ORing circuit must be used. Okay, so this MOSFET based ORing circuit is what we are going to talk here. And you can see here there are two MOSFETs and two power supplies. One of the power supply is 4 volts and the other supply is 5 volts. Generally, there shouldn't be too much of deviation between the power supplies, but just for the analysis purpose, we try to give little variation between the two voltages, and then the output is made common. That means the output of two MOSFETs are connected to a load here. Okay, we have used a p-channel MOSFET here. Now, apart from these MOSFETs, the circuit is little complex compared to diode ORing, where there are only two diodes, because the gate control has to be done for these MOSFETs based on the voltages, right? For this, there is a IC called LTC4412, which is a MOSFET gate control IC, and which actually works in a way where it senses the output voltage. You can see here the output is connected to the sense, and if the sense voltage is more than the input voltage, that means the output that is seen at the MOSFET is more than the input voltage, the gate turns off the MOSFET. That's how it works. So that means the highest of the voltages will be selected. Initially, there will be a glitch in this because the higher voltage has to be output, but after a few instants, we can see that the output is at the required voltage. Now let us try to simulate this. So once we run this, you can see here, as we see the node voltage, it is around 4.98 volts, whereas we have 4 volts and 5 volts. This particular 20 millivolts is due to the drop in the MOSFET. There is a load current that is passing through this, and there is RDS on, which actually turns into I square R, right? I square into this RDS on, which is the power dissipation. Okay, so there will be drop across this particular MOSFET, which turns out to be 20 millivolts here. Okay, so this is how the MOSFET based ORing circuit works. And LTC4412, as this particular chipset is from Analog Devices, we have this model available in the LTspice, and it works seamlessly. So there is a difference, right, between MOSFET ORing and the diode ORing.